one Monday afternoon, asking me if I was free to do what I must do. So I stopped and then I pondered, and I tried to think it through. But all I got were urges to write another tune. Old winter wind kept blowing in, the sun a tender sight, and I was simply sitting there with that urge still here to write. Simple with a softer blend is what I thought I'd like, but who's to know how it will go, like the echoes of my life. The air was crisp, clean and fresh, if you know just what I mean. Warm and cold together with a pleasant dose of sweet. And still the winter wind, my friend, was blowing with a grin, and asked me if I really knew the fire I had within. I looked around and there I found the stillness in the trees. Deep within the fields of green, I could see now all the geese, walking ever slowly, feeding on their seeds. I wonder if they really are one happy family. The old winter wind zeroed in on my face and on my cheeks, as if it was now telling me to wake up from my sleep. Singing birds were clearly heard, with the sky a peaceful blue. And that is when it dawned on me, this wind's just passing through. And that is when it dawned on me that I'm just passing through.